Exploring the world of AI in one day. Join me as I dive into the world of AI and try to learn everything I can in just one day. Artificial intelligence is a term that's been thrown around a lot lately. But what does it really mean? And how is it going to impact our daily lives and work? The truth is, AI has the potential to transform the way we live and work, and it's already making waves in various industries. From personalized product recommendations to self-driving cars, AI is everywhere, and it's only going to get more prevalent in the coming years. There are a lot of misconceptions about AI out there, and I think it's time we clear the air. One of the biggest fears people have is that AI is going to take their jobs, and honestly, it's a valid concern. However, the truth is, AI is going to augment our abilities, not replace them. It's going to free us up to focus on more creative and high-level tasks, while the machines handle the grunt work. Another misconception is that AI is only for techies and scientists, but that's just not true. AI is for anyone who wants to learn, and it's becoming more accessible by the day. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to understand AI, and I'm living proof of that. I've heard people say that AI is this complex, mysterious thing that's going to change the world overnight. But the truth is, it's just a tool. It's a tool that can be used for good or bad, and it's up to us to decide how we want to use it. From my perspective, AI is not something to be feared, but something to be understood and harnessed. So, let's dive in and explore the world of AI together. So, what exactly is AI? Well, there are different types, but the two main ones are machine learning and natural language processing. Machine learning is when a computer is able to learn from data and make predictions or decisions on its own. For example, when you're browsing through Netflix and it recommends a show based on what you've watched before, that's machine learning in action. Natural language processing is when a computer can understand and generate human language like Siri or Alexa. These AI assistants can understand what you're saying and respond accordingly, making your life easier. Another type of AI is deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning. Deep learning is when a computer uses neural networks to analyze data, kind of like how our brains work. It's what powers self-driving cars and facial recognition software. AI is not just about robots and machines. It's about making our lives better, more efficient, and more convenient. It's about using computers to solve real-world problems, and that's what makes it so exciting. One of the industries that's been impacted the most by AI is healthcare. With the help of machine learning, doctors can now analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs more accurately than ever before. They can detect abnormalities and diseases earlier, which leads to better treatment outcomes. AI is also being used to develop personalized medicine, where treatment is tailored to an individual's specific genetic profile. This means that doctors can use AI to predict which treatment is most likely to work for a particular patient, reducing the risk of adverse reactions. In the field of finance, AI is being used to detect fraud and prevent cyber attacks. It can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies that human analysts might miss. AI is revolutionizing the way we live and work, and it's only going to get more prevalent in the coming years. So, to summarize, AI is not something to be feared, but something to be understood and harnessed. It's a tool that has the potential to transform our lives and work, making it more efficient, more convenient, and more exciting. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any thoughts on AI, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights on technology and innovation.